Artificial intelligence didn't appear overnight. It began as a dream, a simple question asked more than 70 years ago. A question that changed the world. Can machines think? Today, AI is everywhere in our phones, our homes, our jobs. But its story is full of surprises, failures, and unbelievable comebacks. Let's go back to where it all began. Our story begins in the 1950s. Computers were huge, slow, and incredibly simple. But one man had a bold idea, Alan Turing. He asked a question no one had dared to ask before. Can a machine think like a human? This question started a wave of excitement. Scientists believed that in just a few years, machines would talk, learn, and solve problems just like us. It was a time of hope, imagination, and big dreams. But the dream didn't last long. By the 1970s and 80s, scientists realized something shocking. AI was much harder than they thought. Computers were too slow. Data was limited. And the algorithms simply weren't smart enough. Governments stopped funding research. Companies lost interest. The media called AI a failure. This dark period became known as the AI winter, a time when almost everyone believed the dream of intelligent machines was over. But the story didn't end in the cold. In the 1990s and 2000s, the world changed fast. The internet connected billions of people. Smartphones appeared in everyone's hands, and suddenly we were creating data. A lot of data. More than ever before in human history. Scientists realized something powerful. With enough data, machines could finally learn. Not by being programmed step by step, but by recognizing patterns on their own. This new idea was called machine learning, and it brought AI back to life, stronger, smarter, and ready for a second chance. And then, everything changed. In the 2010s and 2020s, AI didn't just improve, it exploded. Neural networks became deeper. Computers became faster. And suddenly, machines could do things we once thought were impossible. They could recognize faces, translate languages, drive cars, create images, music, and even entire stories. And then came a breakthrough that shocked the world. Large language models, tools like ChatGPT. For the first time, AI could understand us, talk to us, and help us in ways we had never seen before. AI was no longer a dream, no longer a failure. It had become a part of everyday life. So this is the story of artificial intelligence. A story that began with a simple question, fell into silence, returned stronger, and finally became a part of our everyday lives. From giant machines in the 1950s to smart tools in our pockets today, AI has grown with us, changed with us, and now shapes the world around us. And this is just the beginning. In the next videos, I'll show you something even more important. How you can live in this new world of AI without feeling lost, confused, or left behind. We'll explore how to use AI tools in your daily life, how to communicate with them, and how to stay ahead in a world that's changing faster than ever. So if you want to understand the future and be ready for it, don't miss what's coming next.